Dear students, as we have discussed about the data analysis procedure और उसमें किस तरह मूव करना, the first step is to check the descriptive of your variable you have selected for the analysis. And as far as the paper is concerned regarding the developing economies, जिसको उसने further disaggregate किया in two groups, जिसमें highly indebted और low level of debt को explain किया हुआ है. और the first step is to check the descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis क्या show करता है? Let's share the article on debt and economic growth and even the impact of investment for low income countries. Dear students, this is your table number 2 of the research paper in which you have the variable definition कि कौन कौन से variable की definition और source उसका कौन सा है. And this is the standardized procedure of defining your variable. The variable name is GDP PC, which means GDP per capita. GDP per capita की growth ले ली है. Total investment as percentage of GDP. External debt as percentage of GNI. School enrollment. Individual using the internet. The number trade is trade as percentage of GDP. Your urban population percentage of total population. Population growth and inflation. And on the basis of these variables, they have used the source of WDI. You have the idea of World Development Indicator, and you can easily download and collect the data on the same pattern for different countries. This is table number 3, which shows the descriptive statistics of less indebted countries and more indebted countries. And you have the GDP per capita, and the number, again you have the mean value of GDP per capita growth and the minimum and the maximum number, minimum -6% and maximum 18.5. In the same pattern you have the investment data as percentage of GDP, or investment इसमें the minimum number is 7 and maximum is 55. अब you can compare the investment level in less indebted and more indebted countries. और आप देख रहे हैं in less indebted countries it's 7.01, while it's the minimum number in more independent and indebted countries is 4.56, which shows that जो more indebted countries हैं उनमें investment कम है और जो less indebted हैं उनमें investment comparatively ज़्यादा है. इसी तरह आप अगर स्कूल एनरोलमेंट को देखते हैं तो स्कूल एनरोलमेंट जो लेस इंडेप्टेड कंट्रीज हैं उनमें मिनिमम 16.26 है, वेयर एज इन मोर इंडेप्टेड कंट्री इट्स ओनली 6.12. मीन जो मोर इंडेप्टेड कंट्री हैं उनमें स्कूल एनरोलमेंट भी कंपैरेटिवली कम है. इस तरह हम देखते हैं ट्रेड ओपननेस, ट्रेड एज परसेंटेज ऑफ जीडीपी, एंड इन लेस इंडेप्टेड कंट्रीज इट्स 15%, वेयर it's 25% because trade is it's combination of your imports and exports. And in highly indebted countries, the imports are greater than export, and trade openness is summation of import and export. And even the population growth rate, that is the minimum in 0.8 for less indebted, and highly indebted countries में again ये number जो है वो बहुत different है उससे. Same is the case of urbanization. In less indebted countries, urbanization is only 11% and more indebted countries में ये 14% है, whereas the inflation rate. इसी तरह आप कोई भी स्टडी है उसके descriptive analysis में उनके आप you have the value of mean, you have the value of standard deviation, you have the value of range from minimum to maximum and total number of observation. ये आपको comprehensive picture देगी कि आपके जो वेरिएबल है इनकी मूवमेंट कैसी है, इनमें मैक्सिमम नंबर कौन सा है, इनमें मिनिमम नंबर कौन सा है. उसकी बेस पे आपको जो उसका इंपीरिकल एनालिसिस है उसको अंडरस्टैंड करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिल जाती है.